can it think about?
Consciousness.
It can only think about two things. Either one is emptiness, isn't it?
What's the second?
Or what's my source? But he cannot know what the source is because mind is incapable of illuminating the source. That source is illuminating the mind. How can the mind illuminate the source? And therefore Indra prostrates and says, please reveal yourself. I know I have gone wrong and my, the other gods have also gone wrong. We ask for forgiveness. This exercise that you have put us through has made us realize that we were just puffed up with arrogance and boasting about our prowess. Really, everything has happened because of you, O Divine. O Divine being, O Yaksha Purusha. See? Just like that. That story is not about characters. That story is about us. That remembrance of the Indra and asking and surrendering to that Yaksha Purusha. That is what happens. Pratasmarami devasya savituhu varenyam. To that superior one you surrender and remember, and who is of the nature of effulgence like the sun. See? And therefore, in summary, all the words in the above verse indicate that pure Brahman, the self that is the propeller of all intellects, is the Tat. That Tat Saviturvarenyam in our actual Gayatri, Tat Saviturvarenyam. Tat is that Brahman, which is the substratum of the world of plurality. The word Deva is the Chit Swarupa of the self. Chit Swarupa means the effulgent essence of the self. That is your essence. The word Savitu of the sun refers to the cause of the world of diversity, and the word Bharga to its effect is the destroyer of ignorance and its effect. What does Bharga means? Bharga means resplendent. Bharga means just like Devasya means light of that which is self-illumined, and the Bharga is that which indicates that all not self is burnt away. Bharga, will it be auspiciousness? No. Bharga.
Auspiciousness.
But it is that in which no negativity can remain. That is Bharga. So what is the negativity? Always come back to that. What is the negativity? All
World.
But now understanding of the world is different for us. We are not just talking about this world. We are talking about the world, everything that is other than the self. The whole not self is the world. And in that not self comes the waking, dream, deep sleep. That is our world. Cannot remain. Why? The moment we awaken to our essential nature, which is Bharga, in its presence, nothing else can. And in this manner, the teacher says here, thus Tat, Deva and Varenyam respectively, meaning Sat, Chit, Ananda, are the Swarupa Lakshana of the pure Brahman. The Savituhu, Bharga and Prerakatva are the pointers for the conditioned self, the Tatashtha Lakshana, with reference to the world of disparity. And in this manner, this Gayatri Mantra gives us how this Atma that we are, this self that we are, itself is the total self, which is the Brahman. And Atman is the self recognized within this body, and Brahman is that same self when it comes to recognize that it alone is expressing through all that is. And all that is not other than what it is. What will be the experience of a wave, of water, and you tell him, water, you are that which is expressing through all the waves. What will be the experience of water? Close your eyes, imagine you are the water inside the ocean, one with water. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? What can you imagine? Tell me. Open your eyes. Tell me. What was your experience?
Always been.
Huh?
It has always been like that.
What?
The waves have been water.
So the water is thinking the waves have always been there. Okay. What do you think?
Water everywhere. Water is.
Okay, water is saying water everywhere.
No.
Okay.
Water is not saying water everywhere.
Huh.
Everywhere it's alone. It alone is.
Who is saying? Water is saying that I alone am.
Yes.
Okay. So water is saying I alone am.
No, water is not saying.
So some fine tuning is going on, huh? What is?
It just experience. It's just saying it's only it is existing.
Yeah.
That's all.
So is it saying anything?
It's not saying.
Okay, good.
You can't see the wave, he only yes on his own.
Huh?
He can't see the wave, he on his own.
Ah. Huh.
Same.
Same.
Wave and ocean does not exist.
Huh.
It just is one.
From water standpoint, there is nothing called wave. Wherever it looks, if we can use the word looks, actually it cannot even do that because it's looking from every point that it is expressing. But it only looks at itself. So where is the question of wave? That is the experience of Brahman. And that you are. So whether it is inside, at this moment we say the consciousness within, whether we call it the mind, whether we call it the senses, whether we call it the body, whether we call it the world of names and forms, whether we call it the space, air, fire, water, earth, everything is nothing but Brahman. See? This is the experience that comes about when we chant the Gayatri Mantra early in the morning. Pratah smarami devasya savituhu. What was it? Atmanaha varenyam tad dhyo yonaha chidanande prachodayat. See how beautiful it is. And then what will be if the experience of the self is that I